Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I'm actually rushing here a little bit. Because on that note, these are live in the sense of this is not, and the markets are open. So I'll tell you what I mean by live, but maybe you can already tell. Seems a little disorganized because it kind of is because, yes, this is actually live. So I did want to be keeping an eye on Tesla here. Oh, wow. Look at that opening candle. What a range. So let's see what it actually wants to do. But this is live. I'm seeing the information for the very first time. So this is not a voiceover. This is not some sort of recording where everything's already been recorded. And now I'm coming back and talking about it, doing a voice commentary. I'm seeing the information for the very first time. So if you want a nicely edited video, as you're seeing here, you're not going to get that here. If you want a nicely scripted video, you're not going to get that here, as you see. But if you want raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, then yeah, you're definitely going to get that here. But wow, 63. The way Tesla's pulling back, I could see. I'm going to get that alerted here. 63. Yeah, 63. If it comes back down, more so 63.25. So what I'm going to do here is actually edit this. So this is the private community that I offer at claytrader.com. So there we go. Edit that to 63.25. And we'll see if that wants to pull back here. Not looking to hop in unless it can break down through 63.85 or 63.25, excuse me. So I'm looking for that confirmation. Might have just set up more. And Tesla recovered up a little bit. Okay, what is that? 63.50. I'm going to get that at 63.50 update. New flush point. So you have 63.50 is broken, then I would be interested. But maybe, to be fair, maybe this is a truly strong move back to the upside on NIO. That is always a possibility also. All right, well, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and pause. Well, it's been a truly strong move. I actually now have an order to short at 65.75 if it wants to come up and fill me there, although Tesla 641. 641's broken. I will go ahead and get short there. I even could probably do 644. Yeah, 644. Gonna get that alerted. Tesla 644. Flush point, 1 minute. And NIO just, oh, choices, choices, choices. $65.25 looks actually pretty interesting. Okay, I'm watching Tesla on the other screen too. Yeah, I think I like Tesla the better here. So you have 844 is broken. But I mean, it is Tesla, so who knows? Maybe this thing is getting ready to just rocket back up to 880. That's always a possibility too. But watching 844 very closely. in there at 844.10. See if we can get the move to the downside. I didn't wait for confirmation, which may ultimately cost me. Said I wanted to see it down below 844, and I hit it at 844.10. So let's see if we can get the breakdown to the downside. There we go. Need to see this at 842. There we go. See if we can get this down below 8. Okay, good. I have 50 shares left. Let's see if this can get down below 840. Come on. There we go. Took out 25 there. And all going to go out there for 492 on the trade. Fantastic, but Bob, or not Baba, BA. Nope, already missed that one. Never mind. What am I? Oh, that's not. Whoops, that's what threw me off. I have a DDD I have on this. Let me just bring that over. Usually that's BA, but previous day there was a lot going on, so I figured I changed that to DDD. But I thought that was BA Boeing there. So let me actually change that back to just one of those things as day traders. You know, you can just randomly do things, and then so luckily I didn't act on that. But I was wondering why BA, why I thought I had an opportunity, then I pulled it up and the opportunity wasn't actually there. But it's actually 9:37. I'm up $492. So 7 minutes in, 400. We'll just call it $90. I'm not a greedy savage. Where in the world can you make $490 in 7 minutes working at home pressing buttons? The market apparently. And just to show how the chat room works real quick. Actually, I don't want to bring up Tesla. Look at it now. Good old hindsight here, but I mean, it's Tesla. And I was more than happy with what I got out of there. But regardless, point here being that that is I talked to myself as I typed it up, so you never quite saw it, but that's how the chat room works. So if you're curious, Clay, how does the chat room actually work? There's a real-time example there. Tesla 644 flush point. Flush meaning we wanted to see, and I thought that the price would be going in the downwards direction. It did go in the downwards direction, and for those of you that are maybe new, you can make money when prices go down. That is known as shorting a stock, going short, being short. All those one and the same, and I get it. If you're a beginner, first time you hear it, like, wait, what? You can make money when prices go down? Yep, you absolutely can, and that's what you just witnessed there. So things going down, oh my goodness. GOEV. Oh, I must have that confused with something else. I thought that had opened up way less than where it did. Never mind. I could have sworn that was that ever at $10. No. All right. I have this confused with something else. But anyway, that's how the chat room works. And that is going to also be my morning. Like I said, 7 minutes, $490. I'm more than happy with that. Now, before I go real quick, though, a couple of quick things if you enjoy these live trade videos. First off, these are not the easiest things to make, especially this one. You saw me. I was a little late, but I saw a lot of good opportunities, so I wanted to get the video rolling. But point here being is I have to, because these are truly live when I'm recording them, I have to think for myself. I have to think about what I'm going to say to you. I have to think about what I'm going to do. I have to think about what I'm going to alert to the community. I have to enter in my alerts. I have to type to the community. So there's a lot going on. So these videos are totally possible. They're just very difficult. So, and I will keep doing them. But my point here is I need to know that they're still worth my time, worth all this effort. So if you do enjoy these videos, 2 quick things you can do. Hit the like button, leave a simple comment, even if it's a thumbs up emoji, a rainbow, unicorn emoji, a donut emoji. I don't care. Emoji and a like button or hitting that like button goes a long way in communicating to me, hey, Clay, thanks for making these videos. I enjoy them. They are worth your time. So as long as I know they're worth my time, then I'll continue to make them. And then also, if you want to join the community that you saw here, just go to claytrader.com /team. So claytrader.com /team, and you can join and get access to my watch list and all the alerts and stuff that you saw here. But that's all I have for you. Great stuff. Love day trading. Fantastic when you can always make $490 in under 10 minutes. So I'm happy with that, and I hope you all had a great day too. Everybody take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.